I'm Rusty with Hansi Carlson, and I'm going to show you how to put the Vitaloxide wipes kit together. So you have your gallon, you have your wipes, you have your bucket. There is a cardboard center that you will slowly just pull out. Set it in, and you want to pull the wipes, you want to pull them from the center so that they will pull evenly through the bucket with no resistance. Stuff them kind of back in. Take your cap off your Vitaloxide. It's easier when you turn it to the side. It pours at a slower rate. Less spill. These are absorbent wipes, so you can just simply pour it in and the wipes will get soaked all the way through. So we have all the liquid into the bucket. Pull your peel tab back. You've got your hole for your wipes. You find your edge. Slowly you push it through. Get it to come and start. Put your lid on. You now have Vitaloxide wipes that you can wipe everything down and disinfect.